Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see background apps running on an Android phone. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu lets you control most of your phone's features such as connections, privacy, security, display options, and installed apps. Next, scroll down and see the developer options. If you already have it enabled, tap on it to open the developer options page. If you don't see it, you may need to enable it first by going to About Phone, Build Number, and tapping the build number several times until developer options are unlocked. Once you're inside developer options, scroll and see Running Services. Tap on this option. Here, you will see a list of apps and services that are currently running in the background on your phone. You can tap on any app in the list to view more details about how it's running and how much memory it's using. If necessary, you can also stop the app from running in the background from this screen. Checking running services can help you identify apps that are using too many resources and slowing down your device. If this guide helped you, drop a like, share this video with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials every day.